Lenovo Yoga Creator Zone? What's it? Yoga Creator Zone is a new feature that comes with the latest Lenovo Yoga laptops. It is a software that lets you use the power of AI to generate images from text or sketches. You can use Yoga Creator Zone to spark your imagination, create art, or visualize your ideas. To use Yoga Creator Zone, you just need to type or draw whatever you want to see, and the software will instantly create a visual representation for you. You can also train your own image model with your style and preferences, and save your creations as profiles. Yoga Creator Zone works offline, so you don't need an internet connection or worry about privacy and security. Yoga Creator Zone is designed for creators, artists, and anyone who wants to harness the potential of AI in a simple and private way. You can use Yoga Creator Zone to enhance your creative process, express yourself, or have fun. You can find more information about Yoga Creator Zone on the Lenovo website. Now, check out, Lenovo showcases new repertoire of consumer devices that supercharge. https://news.lenovo.com/pressroom/press-releases/consumer-devices-supercharge-creative-process- with AI.